In this video, I'm going to show you how to send Snap without save option. So please watch the video until the end and follow this tutorial step by step to avoid making mistakes. So let's get started. So first you want to open Snapchat and go to a specific chat or message. From here, let's try to send a snap to this person. So just tap on the camera icon on the lower left corner of the screen. Now let's try and take a photo. So as I've taken the photo, as you can see, there are lots of different options here in the right side of the screen where we can edit, put some text, cut the photo, add some music. But the most important thing we want to do is you want to tap on this timer icon. This is the very last icon in the right hand side. And from here, as you can see, there are seconds. So this means that this photo will disappear within this period of time. So if you set this to no limit, snaps and stories can be saved by your friends. So if you don't want them to save this, you can just either adjust the timer. So let's put in 3 to 5 seconds. So let's just try in 4 seconds. So if we set the timer to 4 seconds, when they view this photo, it will automatically disappear within 4 seconds. And that is how you send a snap without the save option. So if you find this video helpful, please hit like and subscribe. Thanks.